Namaskar. I am Ankit Panthia and I am a faculty at EduSure School. Today I am talking to all the MA Economics entrance aspirants. So now that all of you have actually decided to do a Masters in Economics or MA Economics, there are a few key things that each of you should be thinking of before you join any coaching institute. You see that all these entrance examinations can be compared to any competition. For example, Olympics. Okay. Every Olympics contestant aims for the gold. You never hear a contestant that I'm aiming for the bronze. Right? Each and every contestant aims for gold. Now, when it comes to MA in economics entrances, the gold is synonymous to ISI, DSC, JNU, and IGIDR. These are the top 4 institutes of the country, this being more gold than the other 2. Okay. So firstly, keep this thing in your mind that I have to aim for the best institute in the country. Okay. That is the gold. Now, if you want to achieve the gold, how will you train for it? Will you hire a trainer who has never participated in Olympics, or will you want to hire a trainer who has already been there, done that? Obviously, you want to hire a trainer who has been there and done that, right? So think about a coaching institute who have ISI DSC first-hand experience or are ex-ISI DSC alumnus. Okay. In order to achieve your gold, you need a good trainer who has already been there, done that. So accordingly, select your institute. Okay. So these are 2 main mindset shifts that all of you have to think about. This is a competition. This is a competitive examination. You need to think about achieving the gold, achieving the best. And in order to achieve the best, choose those people who have first-hand experience in achieving the gold. Now, with this as the background, I want to introduce EduSure School. EduSure is an institute that deals with solely Masters in Economics entrance examinations. So we are an institute who only looks at MA Economics entrances and does not cater to any other student. We don't have 10 courses where MA in Economics is only one part. EduSure only focuses 100% on MA Economics entrances. Okay. MA in Economics has a faculty of 2 individuals. First individual, Ankit Panthia. That is yours truly. Ankit Panthia is a economics honors graduate from St. Xavier's College. Thereafter, Indian Statistical Institute or ISI, MSQE program, which is Masters in Science in Quantitative Economics. Thereafter, I went on to work into Barclays Bank in the corporate, and thereafter I have been associated with EduSure for the last 10 plus years. The other faculty who looks at EduSure, who is another member, is Mahima ma'am. Mahima ma'am is an economics graduate from SRCC Delhi, Sri Ram College of Commerce. Thereafter, she went on to do her master's in economics from Delhi School of Economics. She has been a consultant to the French Embassy and UN. Okay. She has also done her MPhil from DSC. She is NET qualified and has been an ex-lecturer at St. Stephen's College in Delhi. Okay. These are the credentials for Mahima ma'am. So these are the faculties which make up EduSure. Sir takes care of mathematics, statistics, and a part of microeconomics. All other parts of microeconomics and macroeconomics are taken care of by Mahima ma'am. So this is the team for EduSure. The features of all our courses include the following: classes online and offline. Each and every class of ours, even held at the centers, are streamed absolutely live online. Okay, the online classes can be viewed by a software called Zoom. It's a webinar software, and instructions for Zoom are the following. Download the software on your laptop or Android or iOS device. Click on join with the meeting ID. With the meeting ID, there will be a password. Kindly enter the password and you will be able to see the entire class. Follow these instructions to the T and you will be able to have a great webinar experience for each and every class of ours. Moving on. Student portal. We have a dedicated student portal for the benefit of each and every student, which has the following features. You have to go on the website, click on login, enter your ID and your password. This will open up your own personal student portal looking like this. Then this part will be showing all the courses that are available to you. So you click on the course which you want to access. In the study material tab, you will be able to see all the material that are available for a particular subject. So for mathematics, this will give you all the topics that are available in your entire preparation of Masters in Economics entrance examination. The material that we have is completely exhaustive. It will include whatever topics that are important for these entrance examinations. All the topics are covered here. Even if you miss any class, the recording of each and every class will also be found on this portal, right? Treat this portal as, if I may say, treat this portal as the Bible. This will be the Bible for your entire MA in Economics entrance preparation. All the material, all the documents, all the videos, all the tests, everything is here. You can even ask the faculty any questions that you want to from the forum here. Let me show you the pattern for a particular topic. Like for example, we choose continuity differentiability. You open up the PDF handout, you click on this and a document like this will open up. So for each topic, take a look at the PDF document that is here. take a look at the theory from here. After you see the theory, kindly take a look at all the theory videos. Theory videos can all be seen from here on the student portal under the study material. So you click on this and the continuity theory will pop up. It will look like this. You may play and it will be showing you the video. You can even increase the speed of the video to whatever speed that you want to. After you take a look at all the theory videos, you go back to the PDF document that we saw earlier. Now you know the entire theory. After you know the entire theory, now you are capable of attempting these ISI DSC problems. So each and every topic at the last part of the PDF or the document, you will be finding all the question numbers pertaining to that particular topic from ISI and DSC. Try all these questions on your own. Now, where to get these questions? These questions will be given to each of you when you join the course. You will be getting a handbook or a booklet which will be containing all these questions. If you want the soft copy, you can also see the soft copy here. You go into past papers and in edusure.in under the resource and the past papers, you will be able to see all the past papers of ISI, DSC, JNU. Everything will be here. You can actually download this absolutely free of cost in a PDF format. After you attempt all the questions on your own, please verify your answers by all these. What are these? These are all the solutions of all the problems that were given in the PDF. So you have the solution of all the problems that were mentioned. Okay. Similarly, do it for the other topic. Say you want to now do a topic from microeconomics. So open up microeconomics and you do the exact same thing here. Open up the PDF document, take a look at the theory, take a look at the theory videos, try to solve all the ISI DSC questions on your own, and then try to see the solutions and verify your answers from here by seeing all the solution videos. This is with regards to the study material. Now we go into assessments. These are all the tests. You will be able to see all the tests which are available. These are all MCQ based tests and the result of it will come out instantly after you attempt the test. You will also be able to see your performance with the other students and the areas in which you need to improve. So it's a detailed analytics which you get from our test portal or the MCQ based assessment portal. If you have any doubts, you can go into forum and post your doubts for that particular subject. So if you have a doubt in say mathematics, click on this and make a post there asking your question. In the extra part, you can extend your enrollment. You can also see all the practice exercises with the answers. And in the reports part, you'll be able to see your performance. All the scores for all your assessments or mock tests will all be given in this graph. Okay, this is a demo account, hence no marks are actually given here. After you attempt a test, your marks will show up here. In case you face any difficulty, best way to cope up is go into support and go into the help center. That will be helping you. Also, please try and see all the aspects of this student portal. For that, You will have to click on all the links, try to do your own research on how to get the best out of the student portal. And that can be done only by spending time here. Spend time. There is no substitute to spending time on the student portal. It is a portal that has been designed for your success for these entrance examinations, so take full use of this. So to summarize the student portal will be containing all study material, including all the recorded lectures from live classes, and as well as all solutions to ISI, DSC, JNU, IGIDR for the years 2005 onwards. And from 1996 to 2004, you will be finding most of the solutions, if not all. But this is extra, or this is additional. You don't have to do this in your preparation. Your preparation will be based on basically how well you do the 2005 onwards question papers for ISI, DSC, and JNU, and the IGIDR sample paper. This entire study material will contain about 41 lecture topics. Therefore, it will contain about 41 documents or PDF format documents. And this contains about 2,700 videos, out of which about 800 will be concept or theory based, and 1,900 videos will be solutions of past papers. Okay, so this is about the classes and the student portal. Additional support is also provided. Doubt clearing sessions. So we aim to finish off the syllabus by March, when all these entrance examinations will begin from April onwards. So by March 15th, we finish off the entire syllabus, beyond which we have doubt clearing sessions every week. Normally 2 to 4 sessions every week is what we conduct. Interview preparation is also provided for all the interview candidates, especially the ISI and the IGIDR candidates, where there is an interview. Since we have helped more than 350 students getting into the top 4 institutes of the country, we have a database of all the questions that have been asked in the previous years for ISI and IGIDR, and that helps even more students crack these entrance examinations. So this is also provided as part of our course. We also create a WhatsApp group where all the MA Economics aspirants talk to each other and help each other. That is the only way to achieve success. Please help each other. Now we are talking to all the 2020 entrance examination and all the 2021 MA Economics entrance examination aspirants. So firstly, the 2020 examination aspirants have about 3 months time, where most of the examinations, if not all the examinations, will be held July last week and beyond. Okay, it will be after July last week or on July last week. So you have approximately 3 months to prepare for these entrance examinations. How to go about it? The entire course content for these MA in Economics entrance examinations are divided into 41 topics, approximately 40 topics. You have to think about, you have to do one topic per day. Okay, the topics will include everything: math, stat, microeconomics, macroeconomics, everything included. Okay, this has to be the target. Now, how to deal with each topic? As I shared earlier in my video, for each topic, firstly, look at the PDF or the document. Look at the theory from the document. So firstly, theory of the document. Second step will be the theory videos from the student portal. Thirdly, go back to the PDF document and look at the document questions of ISI DSC and solve them, solve these questions and see or verify the solutions from the solution video. In this way, finish off all the 40 topics in 40 days. That has to be your target. And every week, we will be holding 2 to 4 doubt sessions. Attend those doubt sessions and try to clear all your doubts. Study hard, all the best. Now, for the 2021 aspirants, we will be starting a course on 11th May for the Delhi students. Okay. The classes will be held every Monday and every Thursday at 2 p.m. Okay. It will be a 2-hour class between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And we will be starting off with the maths topic functions, and economics we will be starting with consumer behavior. These classes, needless to say, will be held online over the Zoom platform. How to go about the Zoom platform? You can see our previous video in order to see how to log in and how to do the webinar over Zoom. Each and every lecture will also be recorded and will also be available on the student portal. We will be doing weekly 2 classes up till December. So weekly 2 classes for the 2021 batch up to December 2020, and from January 2021 to March 2021 we will be doing classes 4 times a week. Okay, so that will be the frequency of the classes. Needless to say that once we have a clear-cut situation where physical classes can be held or offline classes can be held, we will be starting off with the physical classes at the Delhi Center. For enrolling yourself in our course, kindly fill up this inquiry form or contact us via WhatsApp or over call on these numbers. You can see our courses by going into shop on this top. Just like any other e-commerce website, you will be able to find all our products, including all our courses here. You may click on that, add to cart, and check out and make the payment to become a part of our course. Should you have any further queries, as I said earlier, please feel free to contact us over call or WhatsApp on these numbers. Also fill up this inquiry form. Okay. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly raise your hands. Thank you so much for this. Bye bye and be well.